Current affairs for the 15th of September 2024. North Korea is ramping up its nuclear weapons program, stating that it needs these weapons to protect itself from perceived threats, especially from the United States and its allies. India has taken a major step in improving its maritime sector by launching the Indian International Maritime Dispute Resolution Centre, IIMDRC, during the 20th Maritime State Development Council, MSDC, meeting in Goa. The Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, of India recently announced the successful testing of the Zorawar light tank. The World Health Organization, WHO, has recently approved the first ever vaccine to be used against mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, in adults. The BRICS Literature Forum 2024 started on September 11, 2024, in Kazan, Russia. The event was officially opened by Kazan's mayor, Mr. Ilshmetshin. Union Minister Amit Shah announced that the Andaman and Nicobar Islands capital, Port Blair, will be renamed Sri Vijayapuram. The Indian government has introduced a new plan called the PM Electric Drive Revolution in Innovative Vehicle Enhancement (PMA Drive) scheme. It replaces the previous FAME2 program, which ended in March 2024. OpenAI has launched a new AI model called O1 under a secret initiative called Project Strawberry. Which state in India has the largest expanse of salt pan land, recently in news? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for watching.